Hey guys, this is TechMax and today I will show how to set up Aircrack-ng for Windows. Aircrack-ng is a Wi-Fi monitoring hacking tool for WPSK, PSK2 and 1. Aircrack-ng can be downloaded from internet. The website is aircrackng.org. On the website, click on the Windows and it will start a download link. After downloading it, unzip here. And copy this to the C column. Now after copying it, open the folder and go to the bin folder. Now select the version of your operating system. If it's 32-bit then go to 32 and if it's 64-bit then go to the 64. And select this path, copy it. Now go to the computer properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, click new, give a variable name path and paste the path here. Click OK. OK. Now start CMD by the run command and you can type here Aircrack-ng and as you can see it starts working. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to know anything or if you want me to upload something of your choice, mention in the comment, like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.